Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the iBall Winner version 2.0 keyboard. There's an image of the keyboard right on top. This is a full keyboard, as you can see from the image, and a lot of specifications, but which is obscured by this sticker over here, unfortunately. I will now open this box and show you what's inside. There you go. This is all you find inside the box. There doesn't seem to be any user manual of any kind. And this is it. This is what it looks like. This is the iBall Winner version 2.0 keyboard. This is a full keyboard, 104 keys. It has directional keys, numpad, and also this I over here has a different pattern because it comes from iBall. Not just that, it has a piano black finish on top with the iBall logo over here as well. Underneath you have these two stops to increase the elevation of this particular keyboard. So maybe you want a little bit of elevation, so you can get it using this. And there's also a cable. This is a 1 meter long cable that comes with a USB-A port on one end. This is a USB keyboard after all. I will show you if this is operational and how it actually works. Should be pretty simple. All you have to do is connect this particular USB-A slot, this port, to any USB-A port. Basically, in this case, I'm connecting it to my laptop. So I'm going to show you if this works, and here's the display monitor of my laptop. So when I press the start button on the keyboard, you can see this is the start button on the keyboard. When I press it, the start menu appears on the screen. Not just that, when I press Windows D, it shows me the desktop. There you go. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the iBall Winner version 2.0 keyboard. Thank you for watching.